There is something about the new year that opens a portal to life transformation. But will you be ready when the time comes? You have to start getting ready now, or you will spend another year wasting your potential. This is a no-nonsense, rapid-fire playbook of specific tips. Here are 25 very specific things that you can act on now to finally make the new year yours. Number 1. Just do one. There are 35 tips for you, but promise to do at least one. If you do one, then you win. Don't try to be perfect and do everything. Just promise that you will take one step. That's all it takes, thank you. Number 2. Pick a big goal. Forget about all of your goals. Pick the one that will make your next year a win. Write it down and put it up so you are reminded each day. Focus on that one goal, forget the rest. Figure out all that it takes to get that one done. Setting yourself up for a major win in the new year will make all the ups and downs irrelevant because you got a big one done. Number 3. Upgrade a skill. Out of all the skills you always wanted to learn or upgrade, pick one. Make sure it's a skill that's worth it. That will help you get what you want out of life. Now figure out how to get better at that skill and spend time on it each day. Again, don't get distracted. Focus and commit. Number 4. Set milestones and awards. Have a list of milestones that you wish to reach in the new year, and next to each milestone write a celebration that you will have for reaching that milestone. It may be allowing yourself to buy something that you wanted or to go on a trip, anything. This way you earn those rewards from progressing in life. Number 5. Read daily. Choose a book at a time and read a chapter from it each day. If the chapter is too long, read a few pages, but commit to read from it each day. People get suffocated from the thought of finishing all of their books. But the cheat here is to not think about that and to just take a few pages each day. Through the new year, you will have gone through more books than you would have otherwise and would be better for it. Number 6. Shut your mouth. Don't talk about your plan and goals with other people. This new year is going to be you crushing it in the shadows. The more the other people know about your plans, the more they drag you down. So just keep it shut and hustle your ass. Other people don't build your life for you. Your blood, sweat, and tears do. Get to work. Number 7. It's you versus you. Take a long moment to get something straight. You are your worst enemy. Your inner voice, your bad habits, your laziness. It's you versus you, and it has nothing to do with anyone else. Don't give yourself excuses. You're only fooling yourself. Prepare for battle with yourself, and be determined to win. That way, you will get what you want in the new year. Number 8. Declutter physically. You have too much stuff again. Don't fool yourself. You definitely have too much stuff, and it's messing with your life. The more clutter you have, the more things you collect. It keeps you from focusing. It makes you depressed, and it stresses you out. Do a one-time removal or anything that doses, not make you feel good. Number 9. Reduce screen time. Companies are doing everything they can do to grab your attention for dollars. And when your attention is not on your growth and your goals, you're wasting your time. Cut off bad habits like mindless scrolling, watching and gaming. Be intentional. Choose your own growth over generating and dollars. Number 10. No phone in the bedroom. Pro tip here. Don't let your phone enter your bedroom. Have a designated area in the home, where you leave your phone to charge overnight. Your phone does not belong where you are meant to sleep. Recharge, regenerate. It becomes a distraction, and a charging electronic device near you while you sleep just can't be good. Number 11. A bedtime thanks. The more gratitude you exercise, the more opportunities you will see in the front of you, and the more energy you will receive to drive forward. Farther in the new year, just start the practice of saying thanks for something in your life. Even if you don't think you have anything to be thankful for, once you force yourself to say thanks to something, you will be surprised how much there was that you have benefited from. Number 12. Embrace failure. As you prepare for this rocket ship to take you far in the new year, you undoubtedly face failure after failure before you find success. That's the name of the game. Those that have succeeded will say that they just needed to keep failing without giving up. Don't let the fear failure keep you from starting or keep you from taking the right steps. Embrace failure in the right way, and you will be unstoppable. Number 13. Embrace saying no. This upcoming year has to be about focus. What does that mean? It means you need to say no to a lot of things. There will be distractions all around you, from inside your mind and from others. You need to be very comfortable with saying no to the things that don't serve you. Number 14. Follow through. If there's one muscle that differentiates the winners and the losers, it's discipline. So you have to be ready to do what you say you will do. You need to follow through with your promises to yourself and to others. Don't ever give this up. Number 15. Be scrappy. Be scrappy, be agile. In other words, be flexible. Life is going to throw all sorts of curveballs in your way. You need to be able to dodge, maneuver around them, and don't get shocked into stasis. Like Muhammad Ali said, you need to float like a butterfly and sting like a bee. Dance your way through the new year, and you will be ready for whatever it throws at you. Number 16. Remember, life is finite. Yeah, just a friendly reminder. This is not an infinite life. This is the finite life. You're going to live this new year only once, and while you have what you have today, you better feel the urgency to use what you have wisely and take advantage of each day's waking day. Don't regret it at the end of this adventure we call life. Live big. Number 17. Post-meal squats. Wish you would exercise every day at least for an hour, but promise me this for the new year. After every meal, stand up and do 10 squats. Simple, easy, and I promise life-changing. This alone will change your health. Your energy in the new year will be an entry drug into more comprehensive workout habits. Number 18. Detox drink. The way you start the day will determine everything. So do the first thing after you wake up. Heat up some clean water and pour it into a cup. Then squeeze lemon into it. Better if you clean the lemon and then blend the entire lemon, including the peel, but you can squeeze the lemon for starters. Then make the combination cool enough that you can drink it. Then drink a full glass of this on an empty stomach. The best way to start a day. You'll thank me later. Number 19. Cut added sugar. Stop eating foods, desserts, candies with added sugar. You are not a child anymore. Just stop. It messes with your body and mind. It leads you closer to death. It rots your teeth. It's poison. Number 20. Only healthy foods in your home. Have a rule going forward into the new year. You will not allow unhealthy food to enter your home. While you are at the grocery store, don't allow bad food to enter your cart. I'm serious. Be absolute religious about this. Anything you bring into your home will be eaten at the worst times. Control your environment. Don't trust your self-control only. Number 21. Chill out in supplements. If you know you are deficient in certain things like vitamin D and a doctor recommends you take supplements, then that's okay. But other supplements that you heard about on social media and you decided to try out, throw those away. Your kidneys and liver will thank you. Stick to what matters with your health and mood, which is good food and good exercise, not pills and bottles that are not quality controlled and could be filled with a bunch of filthy nonsense. Number 22. Get a full health checkup. Go to the best doctor you can find and get a comprehensive health checkup. This includes blood tests or check for any disease, and also to get an assessment of your body's overall nutrition and lipid profile, which is a check on your cholesterol levels. You need to know if there's any deficiencies or irregularly that you should be mindful of heading into the new year, so you can work towards regaining your body's balance and being in good condition to keep pushing forward. Number 23. Build wealth and take control of your finances. Start building your financial foundation by creating savings and investment funds. Automate monthly contributions to grow them steadily. Review your spending and eliminate wasteful costs, like unnecessary subscriptions or impulse purchases, to save more effectively. Use a simple monthly budget to track all income and expenses, making adjustments as needed to stay on track for your financial goals. These steps will help you grow your capital and secure a stronger financial future. Number 24. Cut one toxic relationship. Look through you spend time with either in person or digitally. Find a relationship that is not negative for you, that harms your health, your wealth, and your progress. End that relationship, just let it fizzle. Don't spend energy on it, move on. Spend your time and energy on what matters to you. Focus on one healthy relationship. Identify a relationship that has been good for you, one that lifts you up. That is mutually beneficial for the next year. Grow that relationship, nurture it. Focus on it, you have limited energy. So be focused on this one relationship and help it flourish in a healthy way. Number 25. Forgive the past. Don't continue into the year with all that baggage. For all those people that have wronged you, this could be your parents, siblings, friends, acquaintances, don't carry their weight anymore. Free yourself by forgiving those from your past. Forgive them for any past, present, or any future trespasses. This is giving yourself priority so that you can give everything to your growth this year. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed and happy.